Hey everybody, this is Toby with Global Integrity Finance. 2020 is going to be an amazing year. 2019 in October, we rolled out our 30-year long-term product. And I kid you not, within a short 3-week period of launching that product, we had over $14.5 million in loans in our pipeline. Since then, nobody has let off the gas. This product is one of the simplest, easiest products for investors who are doing buy and hold and building that rental portfolio to get a very low Fannie Mae product with a hard money guideline. And what do I mean by that? I'm talking a 5.30% rate on a 30-year fixed. And I'm talking no pay stubs, no tax returns, no W-2s. So if you are building or have a rental portfolio and you want to maximize your cash flow, our product, our 30-year long-term product, is the best thing out there. If it's a refinance, what we're looking for, does the property perform? How do we decide that? We look at the annual taxes, the annual insurance against the annual rental income. If that performs, the loan is approved. You have to have a 640 or above credit score, an LLC. And if the property will perform, you can have the absolute best rate out there. Give us a call at 214-548-5190 or go to our website, globalintegrityfinance.com. Hit the apply now button and get your loan in here and let us get you refied or get a purchase going. We look forward to working with you in 2020. And again, one of the things that we guarantee and the one thing that we promote and push the most is ensuring your success and profitability on every loan. That is an absolute. Hold me to it. Give me a call. Talk to you soon.